If speed could meet sophistication and power could meet perfection, it would take the form of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, a vision of Italian artistry and performance, reborn for the open road. The very first glance tells you this isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome embodies the soul of Maranello, sculpted with aerodynamic precision and infused with pure adrenaline. Its sweeping lines, muscular stance, and signature red finish echo the spirit of Ferrari's most iconic supercars. At the front, the aggressive design draws immediate attention, with a wide performance grille inspired by the SF90 Stradale, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that flow into the fenders like liquid fire. The panoramic windshield curves elegantly, giving you a racer's view of the horizon, while the carbon fiber and aluminum body reduces weight and enhances agility. From the side, every detail has purpose. Active aerodynamic fins adjust dynamically at speed, retractable handles blend seamlessly into the bodywork, and subtle intakes along the rear panels feed the hybrid power system with cooling air. Roof-mounted solar panels and adaptive lighting systems integrate sustainability into Ferrari's signature performance design. Step inside, and you'll discover the heart of Italian luxury, reimagined for motion and comfort. The cabin fuses Formula One technology with grand touring elegance. Hand-stitched Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum create a cockpit worthy of the prancing horse. Every surface reflects precision. Every curve feels intentional. The front seats, sculpted in Ferrari's signature sport design, swivel to face the living area, where a retractable carbon glass dining table and modular lounge seating redefine practicality with flair. The kitchen is compact yet refined, equipped with induction surfaces, a hidden refrigerator, and touch-activated storage compartments. At the rear, a luxurious bedroom awaits, featuring a floating queen-size bed framed by soft LED lighting and wrapped in Italian leather. The en-suite bathroom offers a rainfall shower, heated flooring, and chrome finishes inspired by Ferrari's racing components. Every inch of the interior combines speed, style, and serenity. But what truly defines the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome lies beneath its sculpted form. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid system paired with dual electric motors, producing an incredible 720 horsepower. Acceleration is instant, delivering sports car performance in a vehicle designed for grand touring freedom. Ferrari's cutting-edge e-performance system ensures seamless power delivery, while the intelligent all-wheel drive and adaptive suspension adjust to every curve and surface with millisecond precision. Whether cruising coastal highways or winding mountain passes, the experience remains pure Ferrari, exhilarating, balanced, and smooth. Regenerative braking and solar-assisted charging extend the range to nearly 850 kilometers on a full charge and tank, while the advanced acoustic engineering keeps the cabin whisper quiet. Unless, of course, you choose to unleash the unmistakable symphony of a Ferrari engine. Technology flows throughout the interior. A holographic instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the integrated AI travel assistant responds to your voice, adjusting climate, lighting, and driving modes. Even the sound system has been tuned by Ferrari's in-house acoustic engineers to create an immersive experience worthy of the badge. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome begins at $680,000, with bespoke variants reaching beyond $900,000. Each one is handcrafted in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity for a select few who demand both the thrill of Ferrari and the freedom of the open road. This is not just luxury, not just innovation. It's a revolution on wheels, a new chapter in Ferrari's legacy, where performance meets lifestyle and every journey becomes a grand tour of passion and power. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, crafted for those who believe that every road deserves a little speed and every destination deserves a touch of Ferrari.